Wearing pants, huh?
Your first pair of pants. Hey, sweetie.
Got the hiccups. Oh.
Oh.
Ooh.
What you looking at?
Are you hungry? No? Just looking at stuff.
Just checking things out. Alright. I'll check back in with you another day or so.
Ah! Hello? Penelope? Hi. Hey, baby girl. Just looking around. Looking at stuff.